With the Santa Claus rally already underway and the year coming to a close, what is in store for financial markets next year? Take a look at this next report as we decode the risks and the factors that could drive markets in 2025.
2024 was a relatively calm year for global markets, with only a few bouts of events-driven volatility. Investors hoping for another quiet year in 2025 should brace themselves for additional risks similar to the one in August, when markets were thrown into a loop due to uncertainties around Trump's tax and tariff proposals. Factors at play that show significant risk events next year include rising uncertainty around US tariff policies, geopolitical tensions, signs of stress in funding markets, and a weakening job market that could spark more swings. In the US, beneath a stock market that is going from one record to the next, lies a concerning trend for some Wall Street strategists. Fewer stocks are buttressing the advance. The streak of losers outpacing gainers in the benchmark index marks the longest in decades. Global funds are exploring ways to blend the new economy and the old to shield their Asian investments in 2025 from the challenges of uncertain US trade policies and a strong dollar. In Asia, Indonesia, with its strong domestic economy, stands out in investors' strategies. China is also drawing interest as policymakers ramp up stimulus efforts, while India remains on the radar due to its still robust economic growth and favorable demographics. Asian currencies, though, are set for another year of losses versus the dollar. Asia faces risks as it is among the most exposed to President-elect Donald Trump's trade policies. Currency swings, shrinking corporate profits, and slowing growth next year add to the challenges, with many central banks in the region having limited room to ease further. The MSCI Emerging Markets Currency Index has fallen over 3% since September and is heading for its biggest quarterly drop in 2 years. Developed nations are also feeling the heat from a surging dollar. Japan ramped up its warnings against currency speculation as the yen has fallen to multi-month lows. The rupee tested a series of new record lows in recent days, and analysts predict more losses on bets for an interest rate cut after the government appointed career bureaucrat Sanjay Malhotra as the new RBI governor. An unprecedented winning streak for Indian stocks may hit a wall in 2025 as corporate earnings weaken and global funds turn cautious on the market. India's bid to profit from China's waning influence in global markets is being put to the test as tighter monetary conditions, a waning pandemic-era spending boom, and a stronger dollar dent the appeal of stocks. In contrast, bonds are set for their 16th straight year of gains, supported by optimism for interest rate cuts and strong foreign buying. Australia's stock market looks primed for another strong showing in 2025. Still, 2025 is set to be a year filled with several obstacles, with global markets predicted to be volatile and the trends this year looking more at risk. Business Bureau, WION World is One.